Hello, I want to introduce you to the Crosi app, designed to bring people together. The app was created with the purpose of facilitating contact with someone you frequently see in different places and situations, but you can't muster the courage to simply talk to them. This could be, for example, someone who lives in the same place as you, someone who works where you work, or someone you see quite often in various places in your environment. How does it work? The app uses BLE, Bluetooth Low Energy technology, which allows communication between devices using a very small amount of energy. It works in such a way that your device sends and receives signals from other devices nearby with a maximum distance of about 25 meters. Moreover, your device does not need to be paired with another device, as is the case with traditional Bluetooth use. If you've ever explored the world of online dating, you've likely faced the challenge of connecting with someone who, although they share your interests, resides in a different location. This scenario presents obstacles both in terms of the distance to be overcome and in coordinating a convenient time to meet. Added to this is the possibility that upon meeting, you discover that the photograph the person had shared on their profile does not faithfully reflect their current appearance, resulting in a significant discrepancy between the expectation generated and reality. You've probably also encountered various people in your daily life, exchanging glances of varying intensity, which leads you to wonder why these interactions occur. It's a situation you surely experience quite frequently, but something prevents you from taking the step to interact with that person who catches your attention. Whether it's at the supermarket, at the bus stop, or simply passing by on the street, there are moments when a connection seems possible, but the initiative evaporates into thin air. The Crosi app seeks to offer a solution to this dilemma. Designed to ensure maximum discretion, it also allows signaling to other users the presence of someone nearby, interested in getting to know another person, whether for a relationship or friendship, thus mitigating the feeling of loneliness. It gives users full control over how they wish to be perceived by others, through a varied selection of short phrases, words, and icons that facilitate communicating their interest in getting to know someone they regularly see. Unlike traditional dating apps which require posting photos, creating detailed profiles, and filling out lengthy forms, Crosi proposes an innovative alternative: the creation of a simple widget. This widget acts like an invisible sign, detectable by the devices of other users looking for similar signals, offering a new and less intrusive way to connect with those around us. Crosi also offers elegant methods of interaction and flirting with people who speak a different language. This is because, regardless of the phrase selected within the app, each user receives it in their preferred language, ensuring a smooth, communicative experience tailored to their linguistic needs. I hope my explanations about how the app works have been helpful. Until next time,